If you want to make your FigJam text stand out more clearly, one of the easiest tricks is to add a background color behind it. This is perfect for labels, callouts, sticky note style sections, or anything you want to highlight on your board. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to add text background color in FigJam in just a few simple steps. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick FigJam tips and design tutorials. Let's start with the first step. Press R on your keyboard to pick the rectangle tool. This is the fastest way to create a background shape. Once the rectangle tool is active, click and drag on the canvas to draw a box. You can make it as small or as large as you need, depending on how much text you want to highlight. Next, click the shape you just made and look at the top toolbar. From there, choose a fill color for the rectangle. This fill color will become the background behind your text, so pick something that gives enough contrast and still matches the style of your board. If you want a softer look, go with a light pastel. If you want stronger emphasis, choose a darker or brighter color. Now it's time to add your text. You can either type your text directly or place an existing text layer over the shape. Make sure the text is positioned where you want it so it stays readable and centered on the colored background. If needed, you can resize the shape afterwards so it fits the text neatly. If the rectangle appears on top of your text, don't worry. Just right-click the shape and choose Send to Back. This moves the background behind the text so your words stay visible. This step is important because sometimes FigJam places the shape above the text layer, and sending it backward fixes the layout instantly. Once the text and background are aligned, select both the text and the shape together, then press Ctrl+G on Windows or CMD+G on Mac to group them. Grouping is very useful because it keeps the text and the background locked together, so if you move the item later, everything stays in place. And that's it. You've now added a text background color in FigJam using a simple rectangle shape. This is a great way to make your boards look cleaner, more organized, and easier to read. If this helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next FigJam tutorial.